So today I'm going to repair a 1974 Dodge Challenger dash. You can see those cracks all through it, and it's all just looks like garbage really. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sander. I'm going to sand these into a nice V. And I'm going to use an Audi body filler, which is this right here from Napa, mini fiber reinforced. I'm going to fill them in. Obviously use my little smoothers I bought too. And we'll see if we can smooth that in. Obviously we're going to sand it afterwards. And then I'm going to wrap it with either a leather or a vinyl. Vinyl is obviously cheaper, but leather has a nicer appeal. Alright, let's get started. My sander wasn't cutting it into the V shape that I wanted, so I'm using an X-Acto knife. And I'm just cutting away all the loose material that I can get in here, and I'll go back over with the sand. Go back over with the sander, and hopefully I can get a nice V shape and fill that in with the body filler, and then I can sand that down smooth, and hopefully this was gonna look great. So I have my trenches cut out here, and guys, when you're doing this, make sure you get your shop vac and get all those loose pieces out, because you don't want to have to fight with that when you're putting on your vinyl top over top. You want it to stick nicely, right? So make sure you do that and go over the whole thing with the sander, so when the glue goes on, you can stick it nicely. And we'll continue this video in a little bit, guys. Thank you very much. So now I have the fiberglass on. I'm gonna have to go back over again, but don't be afraid to go too heavy in some spots where you need it. It does sand off fairly easy, but I try to stay light, so it's not as much work. But over here, you can see it started to harden on me, so I'm gonna have to go back and fill that in again before I sand. And yeah, we're steadily on our way here.